Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. We have a hotel job staff which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, May 21. That will be Tuesday. So the job description for this is front office and cleaning also. So this is a hotel located in Kanagawa Prefecture. We are looking for two in each job position. So front office and bed making. So the salary for this is 200,000 yen to 230,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So the level of Japanese for front office will be at least conversational level or N2 level. So you must speak Japanese for the front office. For the bed making, at least basic Japanese. So if you are willing to apply for this job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Tuesday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone who is interested to apply for hotel job, please let us know. You can comment down below. You can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.